Imagine you're in front of a super sport car lineup and I tell you you need to pick an interval and I give you everything in between, but you have to pick the interval. What would you do? You need to give me the beginning and the end, right? That's exactly what you need to do when you want to tell Python the part of the array you want to extract. So what you need to do is to write the name of the array, bracket, start, colon, the end. Now the default value for the start is 0 and the default value for the end is the end of the array. So if you don't specify any of these values, the start and the end, you're gonna get everything in the array. If you don't specify the start but you specify the end, say 5, you will get everything from the beginning to the 5th element of the array. On the other hand, if you don't specify the end but specify the beginning, you will get everything from the beginning to the end of the array. Now what if I tell you you need to specify a step? For example, in the car example, what if I tell you you need to pick an interval but you need to choose every other car? That's where the step comes in. In Python, you can add another column after the beginning and the end and specify the step. For example, if you want to pick every other element, you can say 2. Or if you want to say pick elements in an interval but in the reverse order, you can say -1. There's another funny trick about specifying the end. So imagine you don't know the length of your array, but you want to pick everything till second to last element. You can say -1, which means take everything, but don't take the last element. So you're taking everything from beginning to the second last element. So you need to understand that in Python, the ending of an interval is open. So if I say 1 to 5, the 5th element is not in the result.